wait. They called Jeremiah.
Hello?
Hey dude, can we all meet up at your house to watch a Christmas movie?
Yeah, sure. Y'all can meet up at my house at like 3. I'll make sure to tell everybody.
Okay, see you soon, dude. Bye.
See you soon. I'm bored. Let's turn on the TV.
You're watching Psych 4 News, your news and entertainment station. This afternoon, catch the excitement of Cobb Cooking Competition, followed by a very special episode of A Day in the Life broadcast, and everyone's favorite game show, Brain Buzz. It all starts right now on Psych 4 News.
This is Cobb's Girls vs. Boys Cooking Competition. And today we're going to be cooking brownies versus cookies and seeing what the teachers like better.
Oh my goodness.
Just eat it.
What? No.
Don't eat it. Oh yeah, they're safe to eat raw.
Well, they are?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah! Put it side.
I'm trying.
Amy, don't.
Oh, they're kind of rolled.
I'm here with Miss Lane. She's going to be trying one of our cookies. Could you rate it out of 10 for us?
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so beautiful. Just look at this. Would you look at this? How pretty this cookie is. Okay, so presentation definitely gets a 10 out of 10. Okay, let me taste it. Y'all did a great job. I'm gonna say you get a 10.
Yay!
10 out of 10.
I'm with Mr. Corbett and he's going to try one of our cookies. Just eat it.
It's warm. That's good. I give this a solid 8.5.
Okay.
Miss Phillips, and she's gonna try a cookie.
Is it still warm? Yeah. It's good. It's really sweet. Crunchy on the outside and soft in the middle. I like it.
What are you doing?
Good job.
Rate out 1 to 10.
1 to 10? 8. Because chocolate chip is my favorite.
I'm with Miss Gapin and she's going to try one of our cookies.
Okay, presentation is really good.
Be honest.
On a scale of what? 1 to 10? 1 to 10, it's a solid 9.5. Delicious. Do I get to keep the rest?
Yes.
This is a boy side of the cooking competition. We're gonna win and we're making brownie cake pops. Water, oil, and egg.
He touched the trash.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. That's 320. Takes a lot. Shoot, can someone hold this with me? I'm about to drop it.
Oh god.
What? With Coach Kuiper, and she's gonna try her brownie.
Okay. I give it an 8. 8 out of 10.
I'm with Miss Lay. She's gonna be trying one of our brownies.
Okay. The inside of the brownie is much better than the outside. And the reason why is because it's kind of thin around the outside, so it makes it a little crunchy. Right? But I would say maybe an 8. I would give it an 8 out of 10. Great job.
There's some hard frosting though. Tastes good. I would give this an 8.5. 8.5. Whatever.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And send.
Did he respond yet?
Did they respond yet?
Hey, Ben.
You got the SD card?
No, actually, I kind of left it back in the classroom.
Really?
Yeah, it's on that table we were at earlier.
Ah, okay, that's nice. I'll go back.
All right, yeah. See.
I swear I saw Jeremiah take that SD card. Jeremiah, I didn't
Yeah.
see it on the table.
Oh,
Are you sure you don't have it?
Oh, no, I have it.
Oh, so
Yeah.
I did all that walking for nothing?
Yeah, pretty much. You should have just asked for it the first time.
Yeah, I should have. Yeah.
Yeah, here you go.
Thank you.
There.
Yeah.
I hid Jeremiah's computer and I told Carson to email him. I'll never find it.
Hey, I sent you an email.
Oh. Let me go check it.
I hid it in the gym.
Can't find it. It's definitely not over here. It's gotta be in here. These or down here. Not even here.
We're filming in here! No one's voice should be loud!
Welcome to the Psych 4 News Game Show. Here are the rules. Rule 1, you get 4 answer choices, and if you get 2 wrong, you're eliminated.
Rule 2, no getting answers from your friends.
Rule 3, the higher the question you get, the higher points you get. First to 200 points wins. Have fun. What is the most popular food in the U.S. in 2024?
Chicken nuggets.
That is actually on the list.
Yes.
That is the number 7th answer. Congrats. You need 3 more to move on.
Burger.
Burger is not on the list.
Hey, so
What are you doing?
You literally told me to say that. Burger.
What are we doing?
He told me to say that.
Shoot.
Tacos.
Tacos is not on the list.
Then why'd you say?
Lock in, bro.
Oh, so now
So y'all are eliminated.
No, we're not. No, we're not. No. What's the top 4 foods in the U.S.?
Hamburger,
hot dog.
got one
pizza.
You got one correct. Hot dogs not on the list.
Pizza, hamburger, and I think we should start.
Water.
Water.
Alright, that's incorrect. Thanks for playing.
No,
the
she
game with
did.
us.
Guess no, cut it off. She did.
And today y'all are gonna be guessing the top 4 foods in the U.S.
Cheeseburger,
That's the number 1 option.
pizza,
That's the number 3 option. Y'all have 2 more.
lasagna,
That's incorrect. Y'all have 1 more guess before y'all are out.
French fries,
That's the number 4 option. Y'all have 1 more. Better use it wisely.
oh man, chicken tenders.
That is incorrect. Thanks for playing.
Thank you.